Twilight. Oh, it's just you, Spike. Anyway, is the Unfortunately, no. The Princess of Friendship is currently out in a, what meeting does she attend again? Excuse me for a moment. The Princess of Friendship is currently out for a very important meeting with Princess Celestia on why cupcakes are better than cakes. She will be back next week. Wow! That sounds like a very important meeting. Well, toodles! Hello there, Applejack! Say, wanna take a ride on my super awesome, spectacular, fun, and brand new helicopter? You have a brand new what now? A brand new helicopter. You know, a flying box. Sugar Cube, now tell me, how many vehicles do you own? Now that's a good question. From what I can remember, you have a car, train, swambo, scooter, another car, and now a helicopter. So you want to ride in my helicopter, or... My apologies, Pinkie. I can't. I have a lot of chores to do around the farm today. Maybe next time. No worries. See you soon. Wow! What a beautiful... Oh, I'm so sorry. It's okay. Just try to approach more gracefully next time, alright? Alrighty. So Fluttershy, one question. How do you feel about helicopters? Well, I think helicopters are interesting, but I wouldn't be riding on one myself. Oh. Okay. Well, thanks for your input. See ya! Wow! Is that... That's me. What's up? So let me guess. You would love to ride in my super awesome, spectacular, fun, and brand new helicopter, right? Well, you're 100% right. However, I cannot hang out right now. See the amount of clouds I gotta clear out? Are you sure that there are clouds up there? I don't see any. You may not see any, but up there, if you look close, there are very tiny specks of clouds that need to be done away. Every cloud affects Equestria no matter the size. Oh, that makes sense. See ya! So, none of my friends are able to ride in my brand new helicopter with me. Hey, I almost forgot. I haven't been to Rarity's place yet. Come in. Pinkie. Hi, Rarity. So I went to Dry Space today because I was gonna ask if she wanted to ride in my brand new helicopter with me, but Spike answered the door instead and told me that Twilight's away in a meeting and she's trying to debate to Princess Celestia on why cupcakes is better than cake. So then I went to Applejack's place and asked if she wanted to ride in my brand new helicopter with me, but Applejack had farm chores to do. So then I went to the forest to look for Fluttershy, but she says that she wouldn't ride in a helicopter myself. So then I walked outside for a bit more and saw Rainbow Dash flying super fast. I asked her if she wanted to ride on my brand new helicopter too, but she's busy clearing out the clouds. So then I went to your place and I was going to ask if I wanted to ride on your super awesome, spectacular, fun, and brand new helicopter. Bingo! Yeah, Pinkie, I can't. Oh, why not? I don't think I'm the type to ride on helicopters myself, but helicopters are super fun! You'll never know if you like it unless you try. I'm really sorry, Pinkie. Please, no. Please, no. Pretty please! No. With a cherry on top? Pinkie Pie, if you don't... Oh my goodness. If you ride on my helicopter with me, the gem will be all yours. Alright. Just excuse me for a bit while I get myself ready. Yes! So this is my brand new helicopter. What do you think? Wow, it's very cute and colorful. Thanks. Guess I'm first. Alright, so before we get this helicopter to fly, we need to do 2 things. Okay, what are the 2 things that we must do? First and foremost, you check to make sure the area is clear. Okay, and what? Pinkie Pie, please, never do this again when I'm on board. My apologies. I just wanted to surprise ya. Your pilot is Pinkie Pie after all. Right. My goodness. Looks like 𝐕𝐤𝐝 flew past us. Looks like 𝐕𝐤𝐝 is making this helicopter ride not so smooth. No need to worry, Rarity. We're still flying above just fine. Just fine? Pinkie, please. Let's try to get out of 𝐕𝐤𝐝's way. Oh hey, here she is, Pinkie Pie! Oops. Pinkie Pie, I'm not going to yell at you or anything, but I'm going to ask you nicely. Please stick to driving cars and trains and swan boats and scooters from now on. Okie dokie. Looks like it'll be a while before I can ride my helicopter again. So, Rarity, are you doing alright back there? I'm doing very well, Pinkie. This is a lot more better.